Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download brother DCP-B7000DB printer driver download and installation. So guys, first open any browser Google search box to type like that, okay? And in the search result, this is support.brother.com, this official websites, okay? Driver download only this website only, yeah. Select the Windows 11, Windows 10 also there, 10, 32, 64-bit boot also, and select the operating system. Because of Windows 10 installations driver, installations printer, installations process same. So first this is software with the driver options. Okay, this is actually fully easy drivers. This is full software pack, and this is USB driver. Okay, so click on it. After that, slow down and agree to download. After that, it will start downloading. Then it is completed. Then click on this icons where it is downloaded, so you can see. After that, just select this download folder, right click to open it. Now this extract on same locations, you can other locations you can. Then open this is your printer driver, and then close it. Now this printer installations process, click to start, and then setting. Then click Bluetooth and device, and then printer and scanner, and then add device. After that, it will open the manual options within a 5 seconds, like that. Add new device manually and open this. Last, select this local printer network with the manual setting. Then next it will by default show the printer port. Okay, next. Then click to have disk, and then click to browse. Now come on this locations where it is extracted, open this and select INF, and then open, and then click to OK. After that, find out your printer 7600. Okay, this is your. Then select, and then next. Now this is printer installing the printing, and then next, finish. Now your printer is installed. Okay, so before printing, need to restart your desktop and your laptop and your printer also. Okay,